Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to show you really quickly how you can use this standard box design to create your own graphics for your box. Yeah, so this is a standard box. I think it's it, all your graphics will fit on an A3 sheet of paper. You can then print that out, and then we can spray glue that onto a piece of card. Yeah. So when you click on the thing, it says you can't preview. So what I do is I click the three dots there, and I open it in a new window. When I've opened it in a new window, I should then be able to um, I need to download it. Yeah, so I'm going to download it there. Hit download. It goes into my downloads. You see it down here. I then open up Adobe Illustrator, and sorry, I've already opened it up in Adobe Illustrator, and I've got it here. Okay, so don't worry about these graphics. These are the graphics that I just brought in. I'll explain that in a tick. But it'll be called box design something something something. Yeah, can you please make sure you call it box design, your group's name or whatever it is. Yeah, and it should sit like this. You should see this is the top part. Yeah, this is the bottom part. Yeah, so you're going to be wanting to put all your graphics on this top part. Okay, if you have a look at the layers, I've got one layer that's called template marks, which is the marks for you to cut and fold when you get to cutting and folding, and then your graphics will go on there. Okay, so what I did is I went and just stole a bunch of graphics from various students' folios and off the internet. But I'm sure that you'll be able to import your own by doing screenshots or whatever. Add them to what I did is I had all mine on. I screenshotted mine. I saved them onto my desktop, and then I was able to just drag them down and just drag them into here. So once I've dragged them into here, now I can start playing. Okay. So at the moment, you can see that all those graphics, all these things, are in the wrong layer. So I'll put them all into the graphics. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this so I can't move that around. Yeah, so I can't move that. That's all stuck. Yeah, got it? So now the first thing that I'll do is I'll go onto your graphics. I'm going to grab this, and this is like a space thing. Yeah, and I'm just going to drag that out and make that look like that. I might even move the template marks above. Yeah, so I can see where the template marks are. Okay, so let's just say I've got a space theme. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, or if I have a cityscape, I can do the cityscape, whatever. Yeah, purple smile. Can you see when I bring in purple smile that it's sitting below? Yeah, the reason it's sitting below is because it's sitting below here. So this here, which is the stars, is sitting below. So I'm going to drag the stars. I'm going to drag that all the way down the bottom. Yeah. So then this one here, which is your purple smile, is there. Yeah. But the problem with the purple smile, you can see it's got that white outline. Yeah. So what I'll do is, you know how to do this. I need to do an image trace. I'm just going to go default. Yeah. And then I'm going to go expand, and then I'm going to go ungroup. You've done this before. Yeah. I'm going to click out here and click on that. Oop, sorry, Control Z. I'm going to, what I might do is I might grab that. Oh yeah, it is. There you go. So I can delete that white part out, and then I'm left with the black part. Yeah, you can see that I've got those things there that I need to delete. Yeah, those things there, those things there. But what I could do is I could click out there. I could click that, hold my shift button down, take purple smile. Yeah, and that and that. I'm going to Command G group it together, yeah, and then I can make it larger and do whatever. I don't know why, but for some reason, not all of it's grabbed. What I might do actually is it's really hard to play around with stuff when there's something else behind it. Go away. Why did that not work? Take that out. Take that. Now I'm going to group that. Yeah, now I'm going to make that bigger. Let's just pretend my my thing's called purple smile. Oh, that looks great, doesn't it? Yeah, I know it looks terrible. Yeah, I can change it, the color, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, what I might do, I'll put it there. If I have got an Apple computer, I can touch Option, click on Option, and then drag that, and it copies it. Okay. If I've got a potato, I can go Control Shift and drag it, and it'll copy it as well. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that. I'm going to hold my Shift button down. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to drag that to here, yeah, so that I've got the same thing on the box lid and on the box sides as well, yeah. So I'm happy with that, yeah. I'm going to put purple smile there. I'm going to go Option and click and drag it. I'm going to put it there, and I'm going to flip it around 180 degrees there, and then I'm going to go grab that option and do it again, yeah? So I can do that. I'm going to flip that around 90 degrees, yeah? Move it there, and I'm going to go Control Option, drag it to there, and I'm going to flip that around. Is it 270? There you go, and it fits there. I might, yeah, then I'm going to drag that in there. Yeah, obviously the color's not the right color and all that sort of stuff, so I need to faff around with that. There's no barcode. There's no how many players. There's no how much time it takes. So you're going to need to put all those things on. But once you put all those things on, what you'll then do is you'll go File. I think you could probably save it as, yeah, and I'd save it onto your computer. I'd save it not as an Illustrator file, but I'd save it as a PDF file, yeah, and save it as whatever you want. I'm going to call it Box Design Test PDF. I'm going to save it into my downloads, yeah. I'm going to save it as a PDF, and it means that when I go and open that up, it opens as a PDF. When I go Command Print it, when I go to print it out, I can print it out on an A3 sheet of paper, and it will print out exactly the right way, yeah? So I'm going to scale it to fit. I want to scale it to 100%, yeah? So make sure it's 100%, because otherwise when it comes out, it's not going to come out right, yeah? So it needs to be exactly the right size. And then I hit print, and then it's going to come out, yeah? Then I can cut it out, finish it off, all that sort of stuff, yeah? Obviously, this is not finished, Obviously, I've just spent a couple of minutes on this. You'll spend some more time, and you'll make sure that yours looks good and it has all the elements of a box, a game board box that it should have, okay? But that's a really quick show of how you can do your graphics, how you can import it into Illustrator, and then how you can print it out. And then what we'll do is we'll spray glue it straight onto your completed box that Ivan and I will print out on the laser cutters coming up shortly. Okay.